Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and I'm back with brand new coloring paper, 50 A4 size sheets, so let's see how long these will last. Today I'm going to draw the second custom drawing for James, and if you missed the first drawing for him, this is it, his two original female saints I drew in a fight, I think around 2 weeks ago. It's a great drawing, and this time James wanted these two saints standing next to each other in cool poses, one as Super Saiyan God again, and the other one I will draw as Super Saiyan Blue Evolution. I really appreciate the second order and soon we will start number 3, but for now we will enjoy the drawing process for this drawing, so make sure to watch the full video for the full free support. For commissions you can message me on Instagram and email, the commission contact info is down below, and now I will see you at the end. Let's go. So guys, last touch and then commission number 2 for James is done, and I think this is a really cool drawing. It's very powerful, it's very colorful, and I think the 2 female saints of James are looking badass. I drew both in different poses, gave them a huge aura and a nice background as well. I also wanted the Super Saiyan God Saint to look more feminine, and the other one I wanted to draw a bit more muscular and just more masculine, just to mix things up. So, another commission is in the books, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's short video. If you are also interested in a custom drawing, send me a message on Instagram and email, and check out my online shop for original drawings and prints. Subscribe to my real-time channel, and I'll see you guys on the next